grip those guys or something.
Move the other side.
Oh
Little
yeah.
stampede
Oh
and
yeah.
roar.
Elisandri. Guys, if you get a bomb on you, you gotta get it to the bellows.
You got Feldspar yet?
I'll let you take them for a while.
You got rupture, you gotta move it to the side.
Okay, I
Go
guess
ahead.
go over.
Rupture coming up.
Be running bombs over here. Get these bellows operator down. Let's run the shit out of these bombs. We'll be able to get our regulator down.
We can blow it up.
Alright, our
Sure,
regulator's
side's
down. Alright. Get this
Operator's
last bellows
down.
operator down right now.
Watch,
Kill yours.
watch your side. Do not
Yeah,
blow
yeah.
it up yet.
Wait till operators are down, then you can get it.
As soon as ours goes down, Brett, I'm gonna go help with the other operator, okay?
Yeah. Mech side operator down.
Alright, bomb it over there. Right side down.
Alright.
Good, meet up.
All ads on mech.
Rallying.
Move all these guys down.
You want Foreman here or no?
We should be, yeah, we should. Foreman should just be about dead anyway.
Half health.
Try to cleave him down as best we can. John, can you take the Foreman on you now? Right,
Foreman?
we're down this. Yeah,
The
we're
first
in this
slag
slag
elemental.
elemental right here.
Yeah, it's right on top of it. Jock, get on the slag elemental because it's targeting you.
You can move away for when he blows up, and then you can move back in. So slag bomb now
Elementals.
on the elementalist.
Nuke at DPS.
Gaston. Rupshaw.
The spell.
Pocket move to the primal elementalist.
Where is he?
Faster, it's almost dead. Come on, kill it.
Yeah, let's burn
5
down
seconds.
these fire callers here.
Fucking barely.
Are we ever gonna kill this Foreman, or are we just leaving him up the whole time?
No, kill these fire callers. They're more important.
Alright.
Here, I'll bring the Foreman over here, and we can get cleave damage on him. Alright. Bring the slag elemental, the skull, right over to this other elementalist that's on you, Pocket. Pocket,
Bring it in
him over
here, Pocket.
On top of him. Interrupt the burn, guys.
Was that good right there?
I don't know.
It's gonna be
We'll
on
have to
top.
see. Alright, DPS
We
that
got it, quick.
elementalist.
Foreman down.
Grab that collar, turn around over there, Brett.
Yeah.
Grab that security guard. I got
Elementalist,
three.
nuke, nuke, nuke. Dispel it, quick, dispel it. Thank you. You have like 5 seconds, kill it.
Alright, start getting these ads down. Stack them up over here. Get them down.
Now we need a mass grip.
Please watch Vault of Fire.
Everyone else should be stacking unless you have fire.
We can probably bring a slag in.
Bring a slag in. Anyone who's got one skull, it's on Alistari.
Alright, all the ads are dead except for that one guard. You want me to grab that guard off here or leave him on you? Skull.
You can leave on. Alistari, bring your slag elemental over here. Interrupt the burn. Alright,
Out with that bomb.
elementalist. Everything on the elementalist. Dispel the elementalist. Fast.
Faster
Yeah,
on the
that
elementals,
elementalist.
come on.
15 seconds, let's go. Good job. Ads, fire callers first.
Can we get a mass grip on these bitches?
You guys with
We
the
got
fire,
one that's
you watch
burning right
out.
here.
The standing on people doesn't have it.
Good. Elementalist soon.
Alright, slag elemental
Security
on
guard
you,
on
Ron,
laser.
bring him over here.
It's already set, dude. We killed it already. Come on, get on it.
We only have 30 seconds, gonna have to pop cooldowns or potions if you have it to get this guy down.
Try and single target. There's a slag right there that's almost down, just in case.
Put too much damage on that. Dispel, the elementalist.
Fucker, it blew up.
Close. Alright, closest one
Look,
is
we got
on
one.
Alistari.
Run it in. Anybody interrupt it? There you go.
Got it. On this elementalist hard. Everyone go stack up over by skull.
You have fire should stay out.
Everyone should be stacked behind skull. Everyone stacked behind skull.
You have melt, run away. Towards
Grab the
back.
rest of these ads, mass grip them onto the boss. Good taunt, good job. Oh my god, who put that fucking thing over there? Oh, John?
Oh, it goes pretty quick then, huh?
Yeah.
We gotta move around that.
Alright, got that.
Start
Pop a
walking 'em
cooldown
around.
for this.
Back up,
Heavy
Josh.
heals.
Back up, Josh.
Pulls you out if you're melt.
Alright. Follow me, we're moving it. We're moving the boss far.
Got one, right?
I have, yeah, 1 thing of heat, 5 things of temper.
As we move, you can grip the ads into it.
Ungrippable.
Just
They're
keep
immune.
moving him.
No, just keep him where he is right now. Don't worry.
I'll keep
don't
him where
worry.
he's at.
Yeah, we have to wait till we run out of space back there. Alright, hero. Got 5 seconds, then can taunt off you. Keep Elenko up. 1 second. Alright, got him.
They'll let 3, right?
These ads are hurting.
Oh.
Can we do anything with those ads, or are they immune?
We can kill
They're
him,
immune
but
to grips.
don't worry. Alright, we're gonna move the boss a little bit. Heavy
Is
heals on
everything
mech.
back here, guys?
Alright, Lenko's got him.
Stack
keep
on
moving
healing
them or stay
circles
there?
if you can.
Oh, stay right there.
Use your personals. Don't take damage.
Get out if you're melt.
How many stacks you got, John?
Keep tanks up.
4, 3, no, 2. I'm alright, I got show wall up and some shit. I'm okay. I got 3.
Oh god.
Yes.
Boom.
Nice job, guys.
Holy
Nice.
shit.
Good shit.